Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Figma frames into device mockups. This is a fantastic way to showcase your designs in a professional, realistic setting, making your presentations and portfolios look polished and engaging. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to the file where you want to add your frames into a device mockup. This could be any design project you're working on, whether it's a mobile app interface, a website design, or any other visual concept you'd like to present in a more tangible format. Now, look at the bottom of your Figma workspace and click on the action icon. This icon is your gateway to various plugins and features that extend Figma's capabilities. In the search bar that appears, type in artboard mockups. This plugin is specifically designed to help you place your designs into realistic device frames with ease. Once you find it in the results, go ahead and click on it. After selecting the Artboard Mockups plugin, you'll see a button labeled Run. Click on this to launch the plugin. This action opens up the mockup library, giving you access to a wide range of device options to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available mockups and find the device that best suits your design needs. Whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, select the one that will showcase your work most effectively. Once you've clicked on your chosen device mockup, the plugin will display two elements on your canvas. You'll see your original frame and the device mockup frame side by side. Now comes the part where you'll integrate your design into the mockup. Simply drag your frame inside the device mockup frame. You'll need to resize it carefully to ensure it fits perfectly within the screen area of the device. This step is important because proper alignment makes your mockup look realistic and professional. After positioning and resizing your frame to fit snugly within the device mockup, shift your attention to the left side panel. Click on the frame you've just adjusted. When you do this, you'll notice that the Artboard Mockups plugin now displays a button that says Render Selected Items. This button is crucial as it processes your design and applies it to the device mockup in a finalized, high-quality manner. Go ahead and click Render Selected Items. This initiates the rendering process, which might take a few moments depending on the complexity of your design and the size of the mockup. Be patient while the plugin works its magic, as it's generating a realistic representation of your design within the device frame. Once the rendering process is complete, you'll see your design beautifully displayed within the device mockup. The result is a professional-looking presentation that you can use in portfolios, client presentations, or marketing materials. And that's it. You've successfully added your Figma frames into a device mockup, giving your designs that extra layer of polish and professionalism. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.